All right, what's going on? We're back for another day of back testing. All the sessions have been pretty good so far. We're almost at 200 trades on this session. Once it gets to 200, I'll review all the data, go over some stuff that I need to fix, change, or just just observe the data, and then I'll end up switching over to another session. So looking real good. Up about 60% on the account over a course of about a year. So far, we're about to be about 10 months so far. So best month looking like is November, March. So let's just go ahead and get right back into it. What am I doing? All-time highs, clearly delivering from this daily fair value gap. I don't really want to short out of this. I'd like to take longs, but we are pretty overextended on. I guess we're not too bad. We might want to come take out this low. Looks like that's what we're trending towards. Yeah, I don't know. Could really play this either way. We are delivering out of this hourly fair value gap, right? So we could push lower. Lots of LR down here. Just took out this high inside of this 15-minute. Yeah, I'd like us to begin pushing lower. We'll see. See what price gives us off open. Death candle. Alright, well, we took out that low. So from this point, we could see a reaction back to the upside. We'll see. This just isn't enough alone for me. We're inside of a 5-minute now. Just not enough alone to take longs. On this 5-minute inverse, though, I do like this. We're inside of a 15. Could end up rejecting out of this 15-minute. Yeah, just not much that I'm really liking here. Inside the 5, good distribution, but that's not what I meant to do. Rejecting out of the 15-minute. I mean, you could take this off this resweep, but it's like just nothing that high probability. Yeah. Yeah, nothing I like today. Previous day low, previous day high. We've now inversed this daily. I like us pushing lower now. Definitely at least the previous day low, and then our next draw on liquidity is down there. So I'd like to take shorts. I don't really see a world where we reject higher from this point. We could want to come fill this hourly, so just kind of play it by ear here. Off open, manipulates higher, manipulates into that hourly. Not the distribution I would have liked to seen from that though. Break even point got took. Still don't really like this. Yeah, no. I mean, I think we'll draw to a previous day low, but could set us up here for something nice. I didn't even realize that this is NASDAQ. Yes, already took out this low a long time ago. Feel like we still want to draw the previous day low, but we inverse that 5 minute though. We are SMT'd on the higher time frame. I mean, I think that this 5 minute will play out, but I just don't want to take it. Maybe it won't. That's not what I meant to do. Yeah, that played out. That was nice. Oof. I might want to take this. I just took out my break-even point. I mean, I could have prematurely entered, but like, just not at all what I wanted to see from right there. It's just very late in the day. I do like this though. Do have a BPR above, so we probably want to pull into. Yeah, it would have played out just fine. Just missing some opportunities here, but nothing too obvious so far. Previous day low, previous day high. Still obviously expect us to push lower. High inside of this 4 hour. SMT'd on the higher time frame. Could push up to that high, that 4 hour. Also have a high inside of this hourly. Sweeps out this low. That's insane. 80 points. Probably just continue distributing lower. SMT'd. SMT'd with a V shape. I just wouldn't take this. This is not a good trade. Now we've delivered into a 5-minute. We clearly want to displace lower. 2 minutes our highest time frame. I will take this to the downside though. I mean, I think we just want to continue flushing. My break-even point right here. Bro, I'm gonna get stopped by a tick. I'm still gonna continue. I'm gonna be break even, but that's crazy. My full TP, literally by a tick. Man, I just got greedy going for this 1.5. Still a winning trade, but like crazy. I just need to go for base hits. I get greedy though sometimes. Can't let that happen. Alright, well, we're inside our daily fair value gap. Could see some rejection off this unless we want to come and go all the way lower. But we are inside of a daily. Failed to sweep out this low inside this 4 hour. Probably want to come retrace into. And then, oh man, my thing is all messed up. Could want to come trade into the 0.5 range because we did just inverse this 4 hour. I don't know. I also like this high. Part of me wants to be just bullish just because we're displacing off of this 4 hour. Or off this daily, I mean. Manipulate lower off open. I could have just had my draw and liquidity wrong. I don't like these types of days though. We just dump. There's usually not much to take after this. kind of like this retracement though. 1 minute CISD, 5 minute. Oh, we just didn't really get an inversion though. So I can't really take this. Like, it's not even an inversion. I think it'll play out though. Yeah, it played out just fine. But I could have taken that solely off the CISD. Yeah, nothing. Probably should have taken that off the CISD, to be honest. Inverse the daily. I mean, we still want to push lower. Swaps out that draw. We are kind of delivering higher right now. I do like that intermediate high. We have 1 hour equal highs. Yeah, I would want to be bullish here. Might just want to come sweep out these lows though. Manipulate lower off open, sweep out these lows. We just are inside of this 5 minute now. But false move off open, Judah swing. These 1 hour equal highs, like, it's kind of hard not to take this, to be honest. Go for something like this. My break even point kind of did already get taken. Kind of just play a little bit discretionary. Wow. Yeah, I don't like this at all. I didn't have a good stop loss placement. Taking this quick break even. Yeah, tough. I'm still gonna go break even. I just want to go back and see this again. By a tick. Kind of was good stop loss placement. Wait, where was it? Did we get back into profit at some point? I forget if I already messed it up. Alright, break even. Could still be something else. We rejected off of this 15 after we swept out the high. No 930 wick really. Take out that low. Now you get a 2 minute inversion. Sweep out that intermediate low. Like, price is still bullish, I know. But these equal highs on the hourly time frame. Not even equal highs. They're just all relative equal highs. So I can't really count on us going back up there. Kind of going to get a bad fill here. Take this for a base hit. Not looking too hot. Yeah, stopped out. Tough. Yeah, I just kind of forced that one. I mean, we're just not bullish in bullish structure at all. Still trending lower. We did leave this daily unfilled. Swept out previous day low. Intermediate low. 4 hour equal highs. I mean, we're trending bearish. We did sweep out this high. We are delivering. We aren't even delivering from that 4 hour though. We just want to push lower. But those 4 hour equal highs also line up with the 1 hour. I mean, the 1 day. EPR. Yeah, I don't know. Probably just want to go lower. But if I do see structure to the upside, I will take it. Manipulated lower, manipulated into that 1 hour. Kind of already swept out my break-even point. Feel like we do want to trend up into this daily unfilled though. We just already swept out my break-even point, which is like kind of unfortunate to be honest, but still do like this to an extent. At this point, probably just take a break even. Break even. Wow, and then I just get cooked. We immediately rejected off, came back and rejected off this area, and then came up to full TP. It's unfortunate. Not much you can do about that. I should have kept in mind that we did have news though. Now we'll probably just pump with no retracements. Kinda. 5 minute. That would have played out. We're inside of this daily now. Kinda do expect us to keep displacing lower from this daily. Yeah, EQ the range too. I kind of just expect us to keep going displace through this. Alright. Immediately manipulate higher off open, sleep out this high, deliver into this 15-minute unfilled, or 15-minute fair value gap, deliver from this hourly, going lower. 930 wick will probably get taken. Actually, this high should be protected. I just don't really want to short from this area. Oh, we actually do have an SMT. So I do like this. The draw is lower. We have an SMT. Get the inversion. And really, it's like, want market order here. And really, our draw, yeah, I mean, it is kind of just like, our draw is so much lower. We'll see though. I don't really want to be greedy here. We'll see if this even plays out. Let me just not be greedy and take my profits if it even hits. Break even. I forgot to go break even. Alright, let me take my break even. That's crazy that didn't play out. If I could just go for these 1-to-1 base hits, like I needed to just try that. Like 1-to-1s would just play out so beautifully. Break evens at this first internal low. Like look at this, 1-to-1 would have just, wait, I forget. No, 1-to-1 wouldn't. 1-to-1 would have played out just fine. Like these base hits is what I need to be taking. Still room here though. See what we get. Come out, sleep out this high. Oh, I guess my draw was just wrong for the day. What did we want to come tap into? I guess we're just rebalancing. We could reject off this hourly. Nothing. Still think we trend lower. Haven't tapped EQ the range yet. Did inverse this hourly to the upside. Maybe we want to come get a reaction off of this. Internal high. See which way price opens up. Opens up higher. Get a sweep of this high inside this 15-minute. We are delivering out of this 15-minute. But it's just not the highest time frame. . 4-minute rejects. Oh, this 2-minute close is actually perfect. Slept out this high. Still delivering from this 15 or this hourly. Honestly though, we inverse this 15-minute. Like at this point, kind of just be bullish. Flushed. 2 minutes looks good. Ooh, I might take this. Now we got a sweep of all these internal lows. I still think we want to come up to this hourly. We inverse the 15-minute. We do have all this LR below, but SMT'd on the higher time frame. Oh, it's just not the highest time frame inversion. I'd have to wait. I can't take it. I do like this. That's so tragic, bro. Like, I know it's just that was the draw, and I just had to extend my TP, bro. Like, of course I did. And this was my break-even point, and we just came down and cooked my break-even point. Like, now we're gonna we'll see if we flush from here. Full TP, man. That's unfortunate. Kind of just stuck between two daily fair value gaps. But we did inverse it, so I'm kind of leaning more bullish to at least come take out this high. Like this, just up to this 5-minute unfilled. Just that 5-minute unfilled. Now we inverse the 5-minute. We do have a 15-minute high above. Yeah, nothing else. I really got my trade. Looks like we want to come take out previous day high. That's kind of just what I expect here, to be honest. Bank. Well, that spoils my plan slightly. Took out previous day high. I'd assume we just want to keep trending more bullish now at this point. Like this high, maybe. This high. Tape read this. No. That was just a pattern. I just wanted to see. Inside of this 15-minute now. Yeah, nothing really. Inverse that daily. Maybe look like you want to keep pushing higher. We do have data. Alright, deliver me into that 15. I like that. Now give me a reason to come back up. Well, the draw was lower. I just thought with that data high, but I could see why we wanted to come lower. Take out all this resting. Sell side. Yeah, no. Nothing I really like today. Kind of just been ranging, to be honest. Created equal lows, so I don't really like that. Still left that data high. I'd like to come get a sweep of these lows. And then maybe trend up to data highs. But I really would like to sweep these lows. Nothing I love here. Yeah, we did nothing. Bro, we are just displacing way lower. Leaving all this stuff behind. So I can't really argue with the distribution here. Like, we kind of just have to be looking to take shorts. Do like this 3-minute though. I'm going against the trend though. Break even. I mean, we're already inside this 15 minutes. Like, I don't expect this to go much higher, but no way. There we go. 1-to-1. Alright, we swept out that major draw liquidity, right? And we just get that 3-minute inversion targeting this 15-minute unfilled. Swept out that low. Looks like we're reacting off that, delivering higher. Swept that high. Stuck in beside these are bullish though. All this LR. 15-minute equal highs. Like, that's kind of like my draw, to be honest. I like us taking out that. But we could react off of this 4-hour and displace lower. We never did come tap into this hourly. Yes, did though. $9.30 wick. Bro, I got nothing there. We kind of are just accumulating. Like, this isn't really high probability, but just target this 9.30 wick above. Break even. Took out the 9.30 wick. Bang. Full TP. I like that. Just delivering from this 15 minute. You finally get a clean 1 minute inversion. 930 wick left behind. Eventually we wanted to come higher, so do like that. Now I'll do one more. Took out previous day high. Still kind of just been accumulating. I do kind of see us just going bullish though. At least to right. God dang it. Maybe these 4-hour relative equal highs. Wonder if those 15 minute. Oh, it's also 15-minute equal highs still. Yeah, I like that being taken. Not delivering off of anything though. Could want to come down lower to this. That high is very, very protected. This should be protected. We're just going to take them out. There's no way we reject off this. Wow, we actually did reject off that. I mean, I guess we... Man, I did not expect that. Still think we want to go bullish. Take out these lows, though. There. We are inside of a 5-minute if this 5-minute can inverse. Ooh, wait. I did want to take this. Off this 5-minute, targeting these hour, these 15-minute equal highs. Just take them out. Bank. Great 5-minute play. Swept out the draws and liquidity I wanted us to sweep out. Got the higher time frame delivery out of this hourly. 5-minute inversion. 15-minute equal highs that also lined up with an hourly high inside of a hourly fair value gap. Beauty. Great play. Alrighty. Well, I think I'm going to go ahead and end it there. Pretty solid session. Win rate's still slowly going up. Average RR is coming down, but that's fine. I like that. Take a snip. Alrighty. Well, that's going to do it for me. I'll be back for live markets tomorrow. It's going to be... What is going on? That is not where I want it to be. What is going on? Huh. Alright, yeah, I'll be back for live markets tomorrow. Taking it slow tomorrow. It's an interesting day. Bank holiday for pretty much every country in the world except the U.S. and then as well as Trump's 48-hour ultimatum on Iran to open the Strait of Hormuz expires 30 minutes after market open. So just kind of going to be careful with that. But, yep, that's going to be all. I'll see you guys later.